Garages, once limited to sheltering cars and storing dusty junk, are rapidly evolving into small-scale production hubs, innovation zones, and artistic studios. Picture a mini craft beer setup in one corner, a buzzing urban beehive on the other side, and a precision jewelry tool nearby. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a feasible business idea that doesn't require deep pockets. Thanks to modern tech, practically anyone can become a creator, designer, or build a niche brand from home. Take the Bamboo Lab X1E, for instance. It's more than a 3D printer. It's like a cash machine disguised as a workshop tool. This powerhouse allows you to manufacture not only design prototypes, but real products like stylish shoes, custom helmets, or even fashion pieces. Packed with dual servos, 36 integrated sensors, laser engraving, 4 vision cameras, and driven by advanced software, it acts as a personal factory. If you've always imagined owning a futuristic workspace, this $2,155 machine could be the key to making it real. With a $2,000 investment in the PicoBrew's Zematic, you could be brewing bar-quality craft beer right from your garage. This system uses sophisticated whole-grain brewing mechanics, cutting down the complexity and time needed for traditional brewing. Operated via smartphone, it offers access to over 100 proven recipes. In just 4 hours, your batch is ready. And it comes with a 19-liter keg for selling your creation at festivals or pubs. Forget the massive vats. This system brings the craft beer industry within your reach. Next up is the APSX PIM Inari P35, a powerful yet compact injection molding machine made to sit on your workbench. With 2 tons of pressure and temperatures, up to 320 degrees Celsius, it can shape strong plastics into propellers, gears, tool handles, or fishing lures. It's even compatible with industrial-grade materials, costing $6,606. It opens the door to creating durable goods that rival commercial products, and maybe even launching your own brand. In 2024, the global market for rugs and carpets crossed $55 billion, and it's expected to grow steadily by 10% each year through 2029. This makes a garage-based rug-making studio a smart venture. A good start is this $158 tufting gun, which pulls yarn through fabric at up to 40 stitches per second. It builds loops at consistent heights, forming the pile of a rug. With dedication and a few basic tools, you could turn this into a solid source of income, especially since custom rugs never go out of style. Your garage could also generate liquid gold, literally. The Diamond Bee Box Urban Hive can yield up to 30 kilograms of honey annually. Designed for city life, it's compact enough to fit on a balcony or multiple units in your garage. You won't even need a beekeeping suit, and online or in-person courses make it beginner-friendly. The Bee Box, priced at $670,000, is a sweet way to tap into the always thriving natural honey market. Prefer microchips to honey? Then convert your garage into a small electronics assembly line. The Neoden S1 pick-and-place kit includes a stencil printer with a workspace of 26 by 36 centimeters, a high-speed part placement system handling 5,000 components per hour, and a reflow oven with triple-zone heat control. It's ideal for assembling circuit boards in low volumes, perfect for startups, prototypes, or boutique tech products, all without needing a commercial-grade factory. For aspiring jewelers or goldsmiths, the Boli GML01 Mass Fireball is a Poti Hamowai dream machine. Designed for making gold beads between 2 and 8 millimeters in size, this 5-axis system offers precision down to the tiniest detail. The controls are user-friendly, and support is provided. With gold prices having risen 15 times since 1974, turning your garage into a small-scale goldsmith shop may be a highly rewarding endeavor. The X-Tool F1 Ultra offers another high-return option: engraving. This is the first ever compact unit that combines a 20-watt fiber laser with a diode laser, offering industrial power in a home-friendly format. With a generous 22 by 22 centimeter workspace, expandable via conveyor, autofocus, AI integration, and a smart camera, it handles materials ranging from metals to leather, wood, and even edible items like cookies. Capable of cutting wood up to 15 millimeters thick, it's a high-end tool at a justifiable $3,600 price tag. If you're looking to spread joy and color, this $400 balloon machine from Balloonsy Store lets you create LED-lit surprise balloons, like those glowing Bobo balloons often seen at parties and parks. Stuff them with plush toys or glitter without needing prior experience. Just follow a few video guides. With events happening daily, birthdays, weddings, business functions, this machine could bring serious fun and profit to your garage. Thinking about the bubble tea craze? 2 compact machines could turn your garage into a boba empire. The first, a $200 unit from Once Again, makes up to 1 kilogram of tapioca balls per hour, enough for 40 servings of bubble tea. It also works with taro and other dessert ingredients. Pair it with a $442 cup sealing machine that handles 600 cups per hour, supports both paper and plastic, and tracks your production. With that combo, you're ready to fulfill bulk orders and ride the bubble tea wave straight to success. Combining a garage with a fashion studio may sound surprising, but with the Cricut EasyPress 3, it's completely within reach. This user-friendly heat press lets you add custom graphics to denim, t-shirts, and other fabrics, giving everyday clothing a designer edge. You don't need sewing experience. Just follow the step-by-step instructions via the Cricut app. With heat settings reaching up to 205 degrees Celsius, it handles thick fabrics with ease, and its compact footprint makes it perfect for tight spaces. Priced at $146, it's a smart investment. For those looking to personalize headwear, Vevor offers a heat press built specifically for caps. This model reaches a maximum heat of 299 degrees Celsius and works on everything from baseball caps to berets. It features a Teflon-coated heating surface, a digital temperature screen, and a built-in timer, all for $170. If sculpting clay has ever caught your interest, now is the perfect time to try. With pottery becoming more popular, even among celebrities like Brad Pitt and Seth Rogen, you can grab a feature-rich pottery wheel for just $162. It's beginner-friendly, offering reversible spin direction, touch screen controls, and the option to switch between pedal and manual speed. The set includes 16 tools, 8 wooden and 8 metal, for shaping your pieces. Whether you're making artistic dishware or unique gifts, this wheel can turn creativity into cash. The Cricut Mug Press, selling for $147, is another simple way to begin a profitable side gig. Its patented heating plate ensures your custom prints are dishwasher safe and long-lasting. Perfect for one-off gifts or larger business orders, this machine delivers professional results with little effort. Paired with great customer reviews, it's an ideal way to launch a mug printing business from home. You can even start a backyard foundry in your garage using a propane-powered melting furnace from Tuauto. Designed to melt metals like aluminum, silver, and gold, aluminum melts in just 10 minutes. This furnace reaches a scorching 1,800 degrees Celsius. It includes a durable graphite crucible that holds up to 6 kilograms of molten metal and comes with tongs for safe handling. Sell cast items like coins, jewelry, or small figurines. This whole setup is yours for only $161. For snack entrepreneurs, the Magic Mill Pro Dehydrator, priced at $140, lets you make healthy treats from simple ingredients. Whether drying fruit, making beef jerky, or preparing dog snacks, its adjustable temperature and timer make the process foolproof. It even includes a warming function to keep your goods fresh and ready to package. Want to fill your garage with pleasant aromas and extra income? This $60 soap making kit includes all the essentials: 6 different scents, half a dozen dyes, packaging material, and decorative string. The market for handcrafted, eco-friendly soaps continues to rise, making this a smart and relaxing way to earn. Homemade sausages are also making a comeback, especially with concerns about store-bought fillers. For $139, this stuffer includes 2 speeds and 4 nozzles for making everything from slim sticks to thicker sausages. Pair it with a sausage knotting machine that handles products up to 50 millimeters wide. This Second machine sells for $245 and simplifies production. If you're seeking a hands-on business that requires no electricity, this button badge press might be perfect. For just $110, you get everything needed to create your own pins, including image templates. Assembly is a breeze, and you'll be producing badges in minutes. Great for kids' events, small merch shops, or local campaigns. Leather crafters will appreciate this handy splitter that costs just $50. It handles both chrome tanned and vegetable tanned leather and can shave material down to just 1 millimeter thick. With the ability to process strips up to 8 centimeters wide, it's ideal for belts, bracelets, and watch bands made right from your garage. If you're a film fan with business ambition, this popcorn machine might be your ticket to profit. For $588, it churns out nearly 150 portions of popcorn per hour. Sell each serving for $2 and make your investment back in one afternoon. The machine is portable enough for parks, festivals, or farmers markets. The Vavor die cutting and stamping press, priced at $210, lets you craft leather wallets, keychains, signs, or ornaments, all from scraps. This compact machine produces up to 1.5 tons of pressing force and accommodates material as large as 26 by 15 centimeters. Great for customizing items or launching a small leather goods brand. Want to make your garage smell like a fairground and earn some cash? The Cotton Candy Express CC1000S is just $80 and includes paper cones and 5 flavored sugars: grape, cherry, orange, blue raspberry, and vanilla. Each jar produces about 30 servings, and you can even use crushed hard candy when you run out. At only 2 kilograms, it's perfect for mobile setups and kids' events. Lastly, consider this rock tumbler, a quiet, easy-to-use machine that transforms rough pebbles into polished stones, perfect for selling to tourists, jewelry makers, or gift shops. Priced at just $52, it features a reliable timer that won't reset in a power outage. Kids can use it too, making this one of the simplest and most affordable garage-based micro-businesses to launch.